Everybody, I'm going to do a brief on how I've got my MD380 TYT radio set up, or the code plug for it set up, to be able to talk through the DV4 Mini into 4409 on CQ UK. Hopefully it'll give you a few pointers. Now this code plug is not a mass produced one, it's one I wrote myself just for my local repeaters. And for my local hotspot, so it's not downloadable anywhere, but at least you can see how I put it together and the format I used for putting it together. So without further ado, let's unveil how I did it. I'll just close those up. At the moment you can see I've got zone information. I have TD, which is GB7 TD in Wakefield, the Leeds repeater GB7LE, the Huddersfield repeater, which is GB7HX, and Batley, some simplex frequencies and analog repeaters. So those are my analog repeaters that are close to me. So setting up the MD380 to use 4409 through the DV4 Mini. Basically all I did was I set up my zones for my local repeaters and I put all the information in as normal, and then I created a hotspot channel for the digital side on DMR for my DV4 Mini. If I open the DV4 Mini on top, you can see the receive and transmit is on 434.300 on everything that I've got, whether it's D-Star, C4, FM or DMR. And the DMR Plus is a system that you want to use, not the Brandmeister system. So if you go into the DMR Master, you'll see that I'm using DMR Plus, not Brandmeister. And currently I'm connected to the Spanish Master number 3. So the settings on the DV4 Mini are the same settings that I use in the receive and transmit frequency. I've selected my bandwidth at 12.5 kHz, obviously digital mode because it's a digital radio. Receive reference frequency is low, TX reference frequency is low. Total timeout, because I gabble on a bit, I've set to 5555. You can set it to 180. I do have the luxury of being able to watch the YZ screen at the same time, so I know when I'm about to time out. Transmit power is very low. It's a watt. Admin criteria always. Don't have anything ticked in the top 4 boxes. No emergency system. Contact name is Talk Group 9 local. I don't use any privacy settings whatsoever, so I'm not putting out a private call. I'm going out as a group call using Talk Group 9 local, and that's how it works. It's very simple. It's not very hard to do, but I just thought I'd show you. I'll just put a call through CQ UK. Hopefully it will work if I'm indeed connected to the right reflector, and you'll hear it coming through on System Fusion using Talk Group 4409. More emails. I'll get that one later. This is M0 Sugar Gold Sugar, checking access to CQ UK. On Talk Group 4409. I'm doing a new video for how to set up the MD380 on DMR code plugs. M0SGS out, no need to reply. Well, there you go. As you saw, it works. And that was coming through on CQ UK on the YZ system. So that's how I have my setup for my MD380 using my local hotspot, which as you can see is a DV4 Mini. Previous videos on how to set that up. And thanks very much, Brona, for suggesting that I may have a bit of an echo. That's how current this video is. From M0SGS, have fun with the system, enjoy your radio, and regards from my family to yours. Best 73s.